Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, my God, mommy. Happy birthday to you. Thank you.
That was incredible.
Hi everyone, it's Melanie and welcome back to Living Luxuriously for Less, where we celebrate, decorate, and enjoy everyday life for less. I am so ecstatic today to be sharing with you guys a little piece of me that I rarely share on YouTube, and that is my amazing husband. Now, this is how we celebrated his birthday on last year while we were in lockdown, and I thought it was very appropriate for me to share this with you guys because I know that you have maybe have children, like teenage children or husbands, or that someone special in your life that you would like to celebrate while we are still in the midst of this pandemic. So you want to celebrate them in a safe way. And so at the time of this video, we weren't under a mask mandate or anything at that time, but we, did our best to keep our social distance. So one of the things that you could do is obviously you could book a photo shoot with a photographer, and it's easy for them to maintain that 6 feet of distance. And so I definitely enjoyed doing this for my husband. The reason why I wanted to do a photo shoot is because I felt like it was extremely needed for him, because he's always like a behind the scene type person, and he needed like updated photos for professional reasons, for spiritual reasons, for church and things like that. And so I thought the photo shoot was like a great gift to give him, and he really enjoyed it. The second thing is that we were going to use these photos to create like a digital invite to a Zoom birthday party, and it was so much fun. It was such a surprise for him because all of his friends were able to gather on Zoom and wish him a happy birthday, and that truly meant a lot to him. Now, in the beginning, you saw him singing happy birthday. I can rarely get him to sing, but I think he has such a beautiful voice. He was doing that for our godmother, who also just recently celebrated a virtual birthday with a virtual birthday party, and we did that recording for her so they could put together kind of like a video montage, and it just really worked out beautifully. So I think that doing those things is definitely a great way to celebrate. Now, one of the next things that we did was that I actually did a picnic for him at home, and I went on Amazon and I was able to find like this really cute blanket, and I was in the process of redoing our patios, so I felt like it was like the go-to place because he was really enjoying the way that the patio was turning out. And I had already purchased this picnic basket that I'm going to be sharing with you guys. I purchased it from Hobby Lobby like years ago, but I recently saw that it was back in Hobby Lobby, but it is new and improved. It's like blue and white, and it has so many more things in that basket than I have in my basket. Like, I'm tempted to buy it again. That's how much I love it. But anyway, I got this blanket from Amazon. I thought it was a super cute blanket. It was very masculine. I loved how compact it was. I could actually put it inside of our picnic basket and carry it with us if we were going on a date for the picnic. So I just thought that was really nice. But when I, and then the other thing I liked about it was that it was water resistant. So when you lifted it up on the opposite side, then, it was like a plastic or something under it that would not allow it to get wet. Now, the thing that I didn't appreciate about it was the fact that it was wrinkled. Like, it was super duper wrinkled. And so I was trying to surprise my husband. So at the time I was filming this, he was actually in our bedroom asleep. And so I was like, you know what? I'm going to go ahead and set up this picnic. So when he wakes up for lunch, instead of us having lunch in the kitchen, we'll have lunch on the patio. So I had to go get the iron. And you guys, I know for those of you guys who like to entertain in or around your home, I'm going to tell you that Rowenta is the way to go, y'all. Like, I love a Rowenta iron. With my event planning, with my tablecloths at home, ironing our clothes every day, we just prefer Rowenta. Like, the irons are very, very well made. I registered for this when I got married several years ago at Bed Bath and Beyond, and like every time that it broke, they replaced it if that warranty was still there. So that's one of the great things that happen when you buy things from Bed Bath and Beyond. Like, they have that warranty on a lot of those items. So I definitely wanted to like iron those wrinkles out because they were really getting to me. And I know how my husband is like very particular about wrinkles. So yeah, you guys, we were in the midst of a pandemic. So I had to use what I could in order to kind of make it all work. So once I got most of the wrinkles out of our picnic blanket, I decided to go ahead and start setting it up for lunch because I only had like a few minutes left. So the first thing I did was that I placed down the picnic basket, and on the inside of the picnic basket were like plates and our forks and things like that. Again, you can find these on Amazon. I will link them down below, and you can also find them at Hobby Lobby. I also had gifts for him, and then I had this cute little relationship game. Y'all, that game asked some real deal questions. Let me tell you. Like, if you cannot really have real conversations, like, don't get this game because it is the truth, okay? It is the truth. So, and then I sat down like a little cake plate and put some really, different type of drinks down for us to kind of sample so we could have like a little, tasting. It was those mocktails by Welch's, and we tried some new summer flavors that they had. And then on the inside of the picnic basket, I had our sandwiches, our plates, our chips, our, all those things. And then I had some fresh fruit and his birthday gifts, and that was about it. So I just feel like it was really special, really simple. He was really surprised to come outside and find all this all set up for him for his birthday because he really wasn't expecting anything. And so, I really wanted to surprise him. So those are just some tips that you guys can take and apply to your own, situations, families, relationships. I feel like photo shoots and virtual Zoom birthday parties, drive-by birthday parties, Facebook Live parties, decorating a backdrop and having someone to film. All of those things are really excellent ideas and excellent ways to celebrate your special someone while we are in the midst of this pandemic or this lockdown, So it's just still a special way for you to be able to celebrate in or around your home. So I thought this turned out super cute. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching. And until next time, it's Melanie with Living Luxuriously for Less. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye-bye.